Hey, old Danny boy is back. We're gonna swing out this little park here, and hopefully I can find something good. Why don't you all come along with me on the adventure, and we'll see what we can find. You got me going, baby, right?
Yes, I do.
All right. What are you hoping I find, babe?
I hope you find some silver.
Silver would be nice today, yeah. Wow,
And some clad.
Uh-oh. It's crunchy. Somebody was here not too long ago because the wood chips have turned, and you can tell the wood chips turning. Like right here, right there. That's deep. Uh-oh. So, honey, what's the temperature out? 30 degrees?
Yeah, and windy.
Man, hopefully we find something.
Oh, fudge.
I know I dragged you out in this crap, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Hey, we got a 15, 14, 13, 20. It's not that deep. And it is a pen of
Pride.
pride.
It's
Wow.
the LGBTQ community flag.
All right, let's see. All right, there ain't much there. We're gonna catch you on the next target, I think. See you on the next hole.
All right, what we got, handsome?
We got a 25, and it's saying about 6 inches down.
Oh, so we got a reading that's about the same as the temperature. Sweet.
Jeepers. Ooh.
That was quite the plug popping, babe.
Yeah.
That she be popping.
Yeah, I threw that fucker right out.
Get the F out that hole, man. Whatever you are.
Oh,
Oh, it was a penny. You got so excited. I think it was a shiver, though.
I got a penny. I might need to buy cold medicine with this one.
Oh my God, yeah.
See you on the next. All right, we got
a
13,
something.
14, 12, right about here. Whoops, I keep grabbing the wrong shovel.
You silly goose. Holy bananas, that wind is really cold. Da 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 da. We're out here metal detecting and getting old.
Now it's turned into a 10.
It's playing hard to get.
Just like you. Oh my god, I froze my hands.
A speck.
For that little thing right there.
Whoa.
Holy shit.
On to the next.
That, guys, that's my favorite sound. I'll tell you what. I drove what, about 50 miles
Yep.
for this quarter. Just so I can show you
freezing
guys.
cold.
Just to show you guys that I'm a badass metal detectorist. My hands are frozen. There it is, right here, babe.
Whoa. Isn't she a beaut?
Somebody missed it. It's mine now, in the pouch.
Get me that
Woo!
smile for Clad.
See you on the next one.
Oh, we had something else there.
Yeah, it's another quarter.
Always got to recheck it.
So it was a 50-cent hole spill. Holy cow. Oh, I need gloves, babe.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I got them there. It is right there.
The twin.
That's 2 quarters for 50 miles. Woo! And 30-degree weather. Let's see.
Nice and quiet?
That is. Let's go around the backside.
All right. Just to be sure.
Honey, I'm so sorry I dragged you out in this shit.
No, you're not.
No, not really. Thank you for being here with me, though.
Yeah, you're so freaking welcome.
Am I?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Oh,
What am I going to have to do to make this up to you?
I can't tell you. We're on camera.
Wow. I'm in trouble, guys.
What are you going to say about that, mister?
I don't want any more spawns. I'll see you on the next hole. I'm in search for those cold frozen quarters. I think I got another one right here. Hopefully there's a couple. Make my drive worth it. There it is right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a quarter. Oh, my baby's dying out here. I am so sorry, honey. Really? It's a quarter. We're gonna call this park and we're gonna go to another place, and hopefully I can find something better there, because this one here only what, 75 cents?
Yeah. All right.
All right, we'll see you guys at the next park in a few.
All right, handsome. Where are we at now?
We're at another park. It's a little bit warmer, but I realized something. Yesterday when I was out digging and I got soaked, this hat was wet too. And it's kind of like
Damp
and frozen to my head almost. But otherwise, no, we're going to swing out this place.
All right.
And, hopefully we have a little more luck here than we did at the last one.
All right, we'll see you on the good target.
All right.
All right.
We got a few targets here.
Yeah,
Let's start off with this one right here. And then
All
we'll
right.
work up to this one.
Get down there, get digging.
Wow.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
want to go on metal
I don't-
detecting. I want to go on metal detecting. Well, get down there and get digging.
Well, let's see what this one is. I'm digging, baby.
Yeah, you better be.
I'm digging for you. All right, the first one was, I don't know, it looks like a fuse or something. Crappage.
Crap.
All right, let's see if we can find that quarter. I want that quarter.
Around there somewhere.
Right here.
Yeah.
There it is. It popped out.
Ooh.
Anything else? Yep. Wait. No.
Yes, no, maybe so.
No.
All right.
Hey, we're up a buck.
Woohoo!
And I got a frozen butt.
Well, it's better than the footprint that's going to be in it after this hunt.
Oh, that's gonna leave a mark.
See you on the next.
All right.
He didn't catch me quick enough.
No, I got another quarter signal right here.
Oh my God.
Wow, maybe this place will pay off a little. I moved it. That's a dirty one.
A beast.
It's a dirty, yes. All right, hold on a second before she shuts you
Yeah.
up again. What, she shut you off? All right, honey, what are you gonna say?
All right, we'll see you on the next one. You got yourself in quite the predicament there, babe.
Yeah, but if you come down here, if you
It's
can,
all for a good cause.
it might be for a pull tab or a nickel.
All right, watch your squash.
Don't people want to see me smash it off the top of the
Um,
playground?
I don't think so.
It's right there, babe.
Well, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, whatever could it be?
I don't know. I'm hoping a nickel for this much trouble.
Give my baby a nipple.
It is.
Yeah!
A nickel. Whew.
He got himself a nipple.
All right, we're gonna go on to the next.
All right, baby. Let's see what you got.
It's 11:12. Probably gonna be scrap.
Never know, though. Could surprise you.
Yeah, 11:12. That's
It's a
That's a-
dangerous range.
it is. But it is right there, a little deeper than I wanted. But well.
Oh. He got the corona.
It is.
He got the corona.
This one had it really bad. See,
All right, baby. What you got?
we got a nice 25, 24, 21. I don't know. Something like that. 20. Oh, it's everywhere.
Well, get down there and figure it out. Come on now. Cracking that whip on you.
Whip the warmth into me, babe. Yeah. It's right there.
Yeah? Are you sure?
No. There it is.
Whoa.
Hey, wow. Is that a wheat cent?
It is.
It is a wheat cent.
He got
Holy
himself
smoke.
a weighty.
I can't see the date. 1950, 30? I don't know. What do you got on it?
It is a 1959.
59?
Yeah, I got a... My sweetie got a Wheatie.
It's one. It's a one Wheatie.
Nailed it. Why did you eat that?
Because I need my Wheaties.
Ah, yeah, grow big strong.
Yes. See you on the next one.
All right, we got ourselves a 21, 19. See what you got, baby.
Right next to a bench. So, hopefully it's...
Is it going to be a dime for a good time?
No, but I found a smooth painted rock.
Oh. Wow.
Should I just leave it?
Yep.
Man, honey, when I need glasses, my eyesight's really bad. It was all for a zinking.
Oh, zinking Lincoln.
Ah, man, on to the next.
All right, babe.
All right, this one's a horrible number. It's 14, 15, 17. It's reading somewhat deep. Huh. Metal detector lies. Why are you lying to me?
To get right on your nerves.
Well, that's why it lied to me.
Bitty baby bees.
Yeah, something.
Crap.
All right, I think we got more targets over here. But let me make sure that was it.
Ooh, that's so cold.
Well, if it makes you feel any better, I got a 20 here.
No, good for you.
Well, actually, it's everywhere. Babe, I'm making you freeze for pennies.
Yeah, I'm turning into Elsa, and I won't be letting it go, mister.
Oh, you better let it go. Oh, my. Any more? Yep.
Come on now.
It's a little penny spill.
I don't think anything will ever top that fucking penny spill we had at the beach.
Yeah.
Way back when we first started.
Are you talking about the one that was on the grass there?
Yeah. That was crazy. He was literally down there on his knees searching in a 3-foot radius for probably 45 minutes.
What did I come up with? Like almost $2 in pennies?
Something like that. It was in
Right
between.
here, look at this. Look at this. This is a 3. Shine it right down. What could that be? Oh!
No!
Oh my God! If you looked at that rim, just like that,
It would just look so pretty. It's okay,
I'm
babe.
going home.
Oh, it's okay.
All right, see you guys on the next one. Hey, I got that magic number 17. It's only reading about 1-2 inches down. Let's see if it's a junk ring. Now, are you on now? Yep, it's on.
Using it like a microphone. Check, 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 check.
Oh no, it's gonna be crap. That magic number 17.
Was not nice.
No. Bummer. See you on the
Rude.
next one.
Alright, we got something else that's a beeping.
Yeah, it's the magic number 17 with an 18 thrown in it. Yeah, it can't be off that pole, can it? Was I hearing things? Yep. It's another...
Piece of crap.
Right, hold on a second. Let's see if there might have been other numbers here. Nah. Alright, see you on the next. That's a pretty hopping 13. Oh, did I see a 14 in there? Let's see if there's a nickel at the bottom of the slide. It's only read 1 inch down. Yep, there it is. Yeah, baby, got it right there. That's a nickel.
It is.
I work.
Ain't she a beaut?
I'm working hard for our money, baby.
I know you are.
I know, not as hard as you work, but I'm still working pretty damn hard.
And you're looking handsome doing it.
Well, you might think I am, but other people, well, you know, Hey, it's the Goonie dude. Later. Alright, so after I dug that nickel, Talisha moved her feet and she was standing on this 925 earring. Somewhere in there it says 925.
It's right on the post.
Okay.
It's really hard to find, but it's there. I saw it.
It's a silver owl earring.
Very
Sweet.
nice.
Silver on the board.
Yeah, silver.
Only weighs about probably 0.2 grams.
But you know what? Silver's silver, and you found it.
All right, in the pouch. See you on the next.
All right.
What do you see, babe? I spy it with my eye.
I spied right there.
One
I
thing.
think it might be a quarter.
It's a quarter.
Yeah.
Hiding in the wood chips.
Yeah.
That sucker was camouflaged.
Got my baby as quarter.
All right, thanks, honey.
There
I'm gonna
you
put
go.
it right in the pouch.
Nailed it.
No, I quartered it.
All right, baby.
All right. I got another banging quarter right here.
Well, get down there and find it and bring it home.
Oh my gosh.
I know, I'm being extra bossy today.
Bossy. Yeah, there's a quarter. What else? So
No, there's something else down there, I'm sure.
that went in the pouch. Trade another quarter. Right over here. Another quarter.
Yay!
Hey, this might be a $2 day.
Go, baby. Go, baby. We're gonna party like it's your birthday. Uh-huh.
Hold on.
Go, baby.
Thought I heard something. It's my birthday.
We're gonna party like it's your birthday.
Well,
I'm getting old. I'm almost 50, you know. I mean, I'm getting really old for this. I gotta slow down my swing, keep it nice and even. Look at that. That's a perfect swing.
Swing and bob.
always
swing and bob.
overlap. It's gonna take me forever to do this if I walk at this pace. All right, I'm gonna find that next, hopefully quarter.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
What do you think I got now, babe?
Probably another quarter, because you're a fiend.
I'm a fiend.
You're a fiend.
I love me quarters. But this one's not under the wood chips, or it is under the wood chips. Just a little deeper. There it is. All right. So I'm gonna dig a few targets out, let my Talisha warm up her hands, and so I'm gonna just dig, and if I find something hopefully good, then we'll come back on. If not, I will see you possibly at the wrap up, but I'm sure we'll have a few more targets.
All right.
All right, I got a nice banging 15, 17, 16. I'm hoping for silver, another silver earring. That would be nice. But I didn't. I got washed out. All right, see you on the next. Well, I got a, well, it was a 25, 26. It's kind of all over the place again, but probably going to be a penny. We'll find out. Yeah, she's on. I just wasn't on target. Oh, hey.
Time of the time.
Are you having a fun time for a time?
I'm having fun, but I'm freezing.
Freezing?
Yeah.
Are my ears red?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're little cauliflower ears.
My cauliflower is
Yeah.
a leprechaun.
My jolly leprechaun.
That is jolly. I'm a
Always
jolly.
after his
Jolly.
pot of gold.
Jolly. I'm after the quarters. I'd like gold.
Okay, so a pot of quarters at one end and a pot of gold at the other.
Well, since you're still on, I got a 24, 20, 21, 25 again right over here. What is that?
Crap.
Crap. I'll throw it in the pouch.
Temper tantrum.
How dare they put crap in a play area? All right, what do you guys want to do? What do you want to do, babe?
I say we find another good target.
All right, we'll find another good target. We'll turn you back on.
All right.
Now,
What?
Now you said we'll turn them on when I get another target, right?
Yep.
And then you turn around and you tell me to F you sideways. I don't understand. But it's right here, babe.
Are
Right
you
there.
sure?
No. Is it going to be another piece of crap?
I hope not.
I hope not either. I
Crap
want it to
makes
be a
my baby sad.
Yeah, I want it to be a dime.
He got a
A
dime.
dime? Does that pay for the sideways?
Maybe.
Alright, I'll put it in the pouch and pay you later.
Okay.
Alright, see you on the next.
Alright, baby.
We got crappy 12, 11, 10.
So we're gonna see what it is anyways.
I'm hoping for gold, I mean. Oh, I moved it.
More sludge.
Yeah. Small pieces of lead.
Woo!
Ooh. I'm putting lead in my pouch, babe.
Yeah, that's gonna be awfully heavy.
Yeah. With that little piece,
Ha!
it's gonna take a lot to add up to a pound. See you guys on the next. Alright, we got a, I don't know if you can hear me or not, it's 20. Right here. Yeah, and that was a penny. Let's swing it out. We're at the swings. It's supposed to be a hot spot. I got a 25, 26, 20 right here. It was another penny. Oh boy.
Nailed it.
Wow. It's another penny. I'd like one of these to be a nice silver ring. Another zinc in. Let's see. Yep, right here.
Sorry for the noise. There's some construction trucks going by.
Another penny. You had to mention a penny spill earlier today. Ooh, that one stinks.
Whoa! Exhaust. Smells bad. Ooh.
Well,
Exhaust fumes, otherwise known as a vehicle fart.
it's another penny. Honey.
You're welcome.
Yeah, it's another penny.
I figured you needed to get your squats in today.
Oh, I'm getting them in. Hey, saw a 13. Hopefully that was a nickel. Right here. All right. Let's hope that one's a nickel. I'm tired of pennies. Yeah, it's a nickel, see?
Yay! Ooh.
All right. All right, I got it. $25, $26, probably a copper penny. It'd be nice if it was a dime. I moved it out way over here. It's a dime.
Yay!
In the pouch. Hey, honey, you almost ready to go home then?
Yeah, pretty much. I'm getting real cold.
All right. I'll bring my babe home so she can get warm up.
Curl up in like 8 blankets.
I got another one right over here.
You do?
Yeah.
Well, let's get something good one more time before we go.
That's a copper penny.
Ah!
They're right up the same. There might be others around here too, Beth.
Well, give it a swing.
Is that it?
Sounds it.
Oh, wow.
I'm getting too old. It's my birthday.
You
No,
still,
not really.
You still got some vigor in that round figure.
Feed me.
Hey, I'll see you guys all on my wrap up.
Peace.
Hey, Danny Boy and Talisha.
Hello.
Mrs. Danny Boy. We just got back from the hunt. Yes, the pouch is filled. And I'm going to show you why this pouch is filled. I think I hit the Matchbox jackpot. So we're going to go through and a little alien ship type Matchbox.
Construction truck with a
Construction
lift.
truck. It says right there, Tonka.
It's a police car.
Boom! Missing its lights. Must have been chasing this car here. I don't know, but
We're up to 4.
sorry they're not all clean. That's a pretty cool looking car.
Yeah, that's a classic.
Or was it chasing that car? Hold on a second, guys. This bulldozer doesn't look like it's lived its life. That one's going to probably go in the trash.
Seen better days.
Yeah, I got this one. Man, I'm telling you, I really, legitly, that one looks like it got smashed in. It's Chuck E. Cheese.
Wow, it's a classic.
He's dirty. I got that one.
Dodge.
Dodge. What's that one then?
I don't know.
Here's a truck.
Vroom, vroom.
That's seen better days too. Hey, I got another one of those type of cars.
Oh, that one's from the actual Cars movie. That's Flo.
Hey, this is my car, Mama. I want a smart car. I think it's a fit. I don't know. Beep, beep, out of my way. Oh, there's another one. I like that blue. Gotta clean that one up. I think that's gonna be my car. Hold on, I got another construction. Oh, no, a fire truck.
Fire truck.
Wow, I'm making everything dirty. Wow, there's one more, I think.
Wow.
So, how many cars does that make, Mama?
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 cars.
17 cars. Now, that's incredible. Now, there is more stuff in this pouch, but, yeah, I don't know. How do you want to do it, Ma? You want me to just keep going?
Keep going.
Keep going? All right. I'll keep going. All right, here we go. Everything's so dirty, though, Ma.
You're sweeping the kitchen.
Hush, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you really now?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Because you're making it a mess.
It's not my fault I brought sand home.
Yes, it is.
It's almost like I went to the beach, but we didn't. This is all a park hunt. I think that's that. All right, so this is that silver earring that was found.
Yep. That
Talisha was stepping on.
Yeah, it says 925 right on the post. It's very, very small.
I don't know where on the post, though. Is it on that side?
See if I can get it in there.
Yeah, you do that while I count out this crap.
So, it would be written right in there if it'll focus.
So,
yeah, there's... Yeah, it doesn't want to focus, but it is written right there on the stem.
hey, babe, the door's ajar. Trash.
Where do you want your earring?
Set it right over here.
Okay, we'll set it over here for now.
So, alright, so I'm going to take the dirty and let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, trash, 8, 9, oh boy, I think 9 quarters. We're gonna do something because I'm tired of doing that. Yeah.
This is your mess, babe.
I know. I shouldn't. If it wasn't so cold out, I probably would have kicked a lot of the dirt off the coins.
Hey, you do what you gotta do, I guess.
Hey, it's working a little bit. Alright, got some out. 9, I think 11, 12, 13, 14 quarters. Did I count that right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, 11. Okay. 11 more scrap. I don't know, another piece of door maybe. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Honey, were you cold today?
I was very cold. In fact, my cellulite is still frozen.
Oh no.
Yeah.
That's not good, is it?
I'm like one of those gel ice packs, but I am frozen solid.
I got like so many pennies, stupid penny spills. But hey, pennies all add up. I'm not even counting how many pennies I have. I can't count that high. Oh,
You
boy.
can, you're just choosing not to.
I'm lazy. What can I say? These pennies are still coming out of this dirt over here. I got this type of button. I don't know what that went to.
Looks like the cuff to a jacket or something, maybe.
And then that button right there.
Yeah, the pride pin.
Babe, would you say I nailed it on the Matchbox cars?
I definitely would say you did.
I wish they were all quarters, but, you know, can't win them all. And, I think that's it, guys. All the dirt and trash. So much fun. And, yeah. So what did you think, Bev? What did you think about today?
I think today was a pretty good hunt all the way around.
1, 2, 3, 4, 4 nickels, 3 dimes, three nickels, 4 dimes, and I said 11 quarters.
And then where did that earring go?
And the earring's over here somewhere.
Right there.
Right there. And then the earring. Whoops. Right there.
There
Find
you
of the
go.
day.
Nailed it, baby cakes.
I nailed it.
Yeah.
I lost that thing that I thought was a ring. So, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Leave a comment below. Let me know you actually enjoyed it. And possibly might have made it to the end. Alright, everybody. Peace.